look at this boring ebook. I found a platform that helped that turn into this. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes! Yes!
Hit it! Ebooks are such a great way to make some money, just like Andy Ware.
And writing ultimately was my hobby. I kind of bungled into success with The Martian, so now I get to be a writer.
Who proves that self-publishing an ebook can turn into a life-changing success. Now here's my original ebook. This ebook is important since I'm just trying to grow a respectable email list so I can reach out to hustlers and entrepreneurs who might be interested in learning about new hustles or offers that I receive to pass along to my audience. They are the largest online learning community for creatives, offering courses across diverse topics from illustration and graphic design to music and marketing. With thousands of classes available, Skillshare caters to every skill level, helping members progress quickly from beginner to advanced. Skillshare's Learn by Doing approach encourages you to create projects and get community feedback, all while learning at your own pace. On Skillshare, I found a few interesting courses, but one that helped me the most was hosted by Maggie. Her course taught stuff like advanced real tricks, Canva for business, putting together awesome ebooks, and clickable, fillable PDFs. Okay, so you see my cover, okay, and look at my pages. They're okay, right? Not good enough, you know it. You don't have to be kind. I definitely went to Skillshare and I learned some new skills from Maggie. And Maggie showed me a lot, and I'm going to show you what I learned from Skillshare. All right, now look at the first page. Look what I'm doing is I'm showing you. I even have some notes here. I fixed up that thank you page. The thank you for downloading this ebook. I made it a lot classier, a little bit more elegant. Look at the colors. I learned that from Maggie. Neutral colors, very sophisticated. Make sure the color palette is aesthetically pleasing. So that's me fixing the font. That was the old page about vending machines. Look at the difference. Look at the colors I'm working with. Look at the word vending machines. It's bold, it's large, it stands out. Boom, this is a side hustle. So I learned that also. Make sure whatever you're speaking about, the main topic, enlarge it, make sure it pops. My words were not popping out. They were like too similar in size. So, and look at the hyperlinks. They're working. You can click on it. Look at this. It works. It's showing you different vending machines for sale. And I had hyperlinks before, but it didn't look right. So I learned that also from Maggie to make sure the hyperlinks are beautifully done. You don't have to have .com, .this. Just put in the links and look how nice. Every link works in my ebook, okay? All right, let's check this out. Look how I position the photo of the cute little doggies, okay? And I have a Yorkie, by the way, as well. Look at the difference in pet sitting. I had it very tiny, the words, and I enlarged it so it can pop. This side hustle is about pet sitting, so you have to have that stand out. And it can't have too many words. So what I did was I sectioned off the words and I broke it up with pictures. So it feel like so much reading, like you're in school. This is supposed to be a pleasant ebook where you learn about additional side hustles. Okay, so let's make it pleasant to read. Okay, so and I pulled out certain words and that I wanted to emphasize, and I thought that was pretty. And look at the colors. Look how everything is aesthetically pleasing and cohesive, okay? And no more cartoons. I didn't do the cartoon look. I wanted everything to be consistent with real pictures, okay? Now look at that. I love the different fonts and color schemes, so I played around with it, and I put the sneakers there because this hustle right here, is about flipping sneakers. And I put all the links in, okay? All of those hyperlinks work. So if you download my ebook, click on the hyperlinks, they work if you go to my ebook, okay? And another thing I learned from Maggie, by the way, besides having like neutral colors and having it look aesthetically cohesive, I learned to make sure you brand all your pages. She spoke about that. So another thing I did was make sure I put Inside Your Hustle at the bottom of each page because I didn't have that before. If you look at my old ebook. Okay, so also, Canva. Oh my goodness. Canva really, really helps. That's why I put in Canva with the photos, the pictures, just and Printify, another side hustle. But if you notice, when I put in all the information, everything works. Everything's positioned properly. I learned that from Maggie. Make sure the fonts are cohesive. So you see content creation, I changed it out because I wanted to make sure all the fonts match, okay? And all the links work. She taught me a lot of that. So it was really good. Let me see if I learned anything else that I wanted to mention. I wrote so much down. She also spoke about including a to-do list. I didn't have that before, so I did that also. I included that at the end. Now look at my cover page. My cover page before looked like a 8-year-old did it. Okay, you could admit it. It was like a elementary school project. Look at it now. Look at this. I learned this from Skillshare. Look how beautiful the positionings, the shapes. Those are the colors I use. Those are the color schemes. And she was taking colors and incorporating it all through her book. So I said, let me do that. Let me try that. And I'm telling you, I am pleased. I added a filter, gave that look just so it could be so cohesive. Look at the before, look at the other book cover, and look at that one. Big difference, right? Now there's my table of contents. I didn't have that before. I noticed that Maggie used it. So I said, you know what? Let me give a table of contents. Let's make this look as professional as possible. The colors, again, elegant, neutral. And I did that also. Look at that. So you're seeing I'm giving you all the titles, all the subjects about each page. So you don't have to like, oh, what is she talking about in the ebook? Boom. Table of contents right there, ready for you. You know what I mean? Very professional. And I'm just so grateful and I'm so pleased how it turned out. And I'm telling you, I wouldn't have been able to do this if I didn't find Maggie on Skillshare. She really shared her skills with me. So I am so grateful. I see why she has like a high rating. And it made a difference. I'm really, really proud of this book. And there's the filters being added I did. Very, very nice. It came out really, really nice. I thought that I needed a lot of color on my cover, and I really didn't need it. Look how soft, muted. Look how beautiful it came out. And I'm branding every page now. Inside Your Hustles on every page. Something I learned from Maggie again. And please take these tips. Please listen to what I'm saying. It makes a difference. And if you want to know more about different little things that I didn't show or other things you could add to your book, check out Maggie's Star. She really breaks it down on Skillshare. Like I'm going through her videos with a fine-tooth comb. She's the real deal. I'm really, really impressed. A lot of these classes do not impress me, but Maggie did. And I'm really happy to say that. Look how pretty everything is. Tell me that's not professional, okay? Tell me that's the real deal right there. I'm really proud of my book. Another skill that she showed me was the haze. What was it? The hazing tool. I used it, and I can use it now to flip my book and put it on Instagram, put it on TikTok. Now you can flip your book and show it off to sell it if you like. Look at this. Is that hot or what? Look at that. That's what I'm saying. That's a little bit of the book. That's not the whole book. Check it out before, after. You are going to be impressed. Thank you. Oh, I'm so happy with my book. Ready to level up your creativity? The first 500 people to click my link in the description box will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Don't miss out. Start learning today and unlock that endless possibilities. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now, didn't you like that ebook? Oh my goodness, the skills that I learned today. Very impressive, and you can do the same. So let me know in the comments down below if you'll try Skillshare. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.